So today I will tell you a very easy recipe to make white chicken pulao. If you make this pulao in this way, it will be very tasty to eat and you can see. Our rice is so fluffy and it would be so amazing if you learn to make it. If you want, you have to watch the entire video till the end and see how much chicken there is. Soft and juicy chicken is the ingredient of our pulao, so friends, let's quickly start the recipe here. But I have taken 700 grams of chicken. I am using chicken with bones here and see this. The large pieces should be cut into smaller pieces so that they cook faster. Spoon you add salt in it. We will not marinate the chicken. First of all, we and 2 elders. We will add curd in it. If we look at it as per the quantity, then I added 150 grams curd in it. Along with this, you have to add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste to it and make it spicy. For this we will add some green chilies in it. Mix the chicken well with curd. You have to mix it well and marinate it well. Now why marinate it with curd only? Yes, curd starts melting the chicken, only then the chicken becomes soft and juicy. You can reduce it by half. You have to marinate the chicken and leave it for an hour. After this, see here I have taken half a kilogram of basmati rice. I use long green basmati rice here. I am doing this and you have to wash the rice thoroughly. Wash the rice thoroughly with 2 to 3 waters so that the extra rice from outside gets removed. If there is any dust etc., it should be removed, and do not wash it by rubbing it too hard. It has to be washed with a very soft hand so that the rice does not break on. The older the basmati rice, the better it turns out, so check this out. Wash the rice with at least 2 to 3 waters. After washing, you do not have to keep it soaked. Because for the pilaf that is made by dum laga, you have to soak the rice. If the rice gets good whiteness and good length, then at least half. Soak these rice for an hour and maximum for 1 to 2 hours. And then we need onions and green chilies here. I have sliced the onion. I have torn the chili in half. I took 2 bay leaves, 5 to 7 black peppercorns, mace and cloves, 5 to 6. We will use big cardamom, cinnamon and small cardamom. Whole spicy will bring a very nice flavor to the plate, and after this inside a pan we will. If you add oil, I have added 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 spoon of desi. You will add ghee. You must add desi ghee, even if you reduce the use of oil by adding desi ghee. Not chicken pulao tastes very good and you will see the ghee melting. You have to add whole spices in it. You have to keep the gas flame very low, and also you have to add 1 teaspoon of sabu cumin seeds in it. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel in it, so here. But I have used finely chopped fennel. Fennel will give a good aroma to the pulao, and look at this. Let the spices mix gently so that their flavor gets activated, then you can add it. If you want to add sliced onion, then take a big onion and cut it into slices. Cut it into very fine slices and add green chilies along with it. You can increase or decrease the quantity as per your taste. Here I have used 3 to 4 chilies. Is it a bit spicy chili? Then white chicken pulao should be a bit spicy only, then it is good too. Look at this, the color of the onion has started to become more light golden brown. Do not brown your onion, you have to add this chicken along with it. We had kept it marinated and mixed the chicken well. You have to keep the flame very low here. If you keep the gas flame high, then the curd will curdle here and will become thick, and there will be some marination in the bowl. Some curd was sticky, some water was sticky, mix it too. Now you have to increase the flame of the gas with the chicken and continue turning it. Keep stirring until it starts boiling. Here, watch the chicken cooking. It has started and the curd has also started boiling. After this you can set the flame of the gas on high. Keep it covered and cook it till the curd dries completely. See, the oil should separate, so by this time you should have cooked the chicken with curd. You have to keep turning it in between so that the chicken does not stick to the bottom of the pan. To do this process, it will take you 12 to 15 minutes, and I have seen 1 bowl. I had taken rice from this bowl and will add water from this bowl, so see, 1 have filled 1 bowl. I have added it completely, and in the second bowl I have added a little less. I have not added it completely. So, all you have to do is add water to it and mix the chicken well. I have to add the quantity of water inside the plug. If you add too much water, your plug will become wet. If you add less water, the rice will remain raw. We will add a small spoon of salt to it. I added a small spoon of salt to the chicken for marination. Along with this, we will add some finely chopped curry chilies in it. Add some finely chopped green coriander. If you mix it well, then you will get salt at this time. I want to get it tested. Whatever is certain, please test it. You have to keep your name equal. If you use less salt, it will taste bland. I cover it from above so that it comes to a boil quickly. As soon as the akani comes to a boil, you have to add the rice to it. So here I'm using cream to add a little whiteness to the chicken. Look, I have added 2 small spoons of cream into it. If you don't have cream, you can make the PLA without cream. This will add a little more whiteness, and see, after this we will add rice in it. If you add it too, I had soaked the rice here for 40 minutes in the rick. You have to drain out all the water, there should be no water left if you have water inside the rice. So plaque gets gelled and there are chances of it becoming worse. Mix the rice well, see here, and after this let's test it once. If it is equal, then cover everything from above. And you have to increase the flame of the gas so that it boils quickly, so see this. You can boil it in the pan, after that do not cover it from above. And you have to keep the flame of the gas medium, cook your pilaf on medium flame till. Wait until your pulao starts drying up. See how the water dries up. Now you have to cook the flounder in this way, and if you want to stir it once in between, you can turn it over, not much. After this you have to shake this pack more. If you shake it, your rice will not break, and after this we will not put any pressure on the pulao here. If you are silver foil, smear it with silver foil, otherwise you have to take kneaded dough and cover the dough with a lid, and after applying the flame, you have to cover the block again properly from the top, see in this way, so that steam should not come out, and you have to keep the flame of the gas medium and fry it in medium flame. Let it cook for 3 more minutes so that it gets steamed properly and its moisture, and let it reduce. After about 3 minutes, we will place it on the naan. After placing it on the naan, you keep the flame of the gas on medium and let the pulao cook for 12 to 15 minutes on medium flame. In 12 to 15 minutes, your pulao will become very soft.